So who are you?
Jim Louderback, CEO of Revision 3.
All right, and of course, Jim, thank you for speaking at Porter not too long ago. Appreciate that.
Oh, no problem.
So you just did a great panel, and I asked the question on augmented reality. So what are your thoughts on augmented reality?
Well, augmented reality I think is cool. I really like the idea of being able to layer data on top of everything. Whether it's going to a party and seeing the people that you meet and not really remembering who they are, but then being able to like find a picture and information from LinkedIn and other things about them, to, walking around the street going, I know that party is around here somewhere, where is it? And then having the map and the information layered on top of you. And for me, the cool thing I want, so I wear hard contact lenses, I have for years, I want them to be little computer screens that can actually display information on my retina. And when I can turn my contact lenses into an augmented reality display system, the world will change.
Awesome. How do you see it linking to content with what you do?
Well, it's interesting. I mean, we do sort of video and entertaining video. I mean, imagine if your eyeballs were screens and you could just say, look, I want to chill out for 10 minutes. You could actually go into somebody's world. So it wouldn't be so much of creating something that there was a wall. So you create a show and there's a wall and the show happens on the other side of the wall. You go inside the show and inside the wall.
Adoption, how long do you think it'll be before general consumers, have apps? They may not know it's augmented, but it is. How long do you think general consumer adoption?
Well, the length that augmented reality takes, it depends on what level it is. So the idea that you can hold your cell phone up and be able to see things, or use that to be able to sort of create a layer of data on top of what you see. I mean, we're starting to see that happen already with the iPhone, and it's going to happen even more as more and more smartphones are connected up to the web. We've got to have faster data connection, and we're getting that with WiMAX and other things. And the next thing that happens, you get the sort of the display on your glasses or whatever you're going to do there. That's going to take a little bit longer because there's wireless, there's micro-miniaturization. I mean, 10 or 15 years maybe, but it's definitely coming.
Any other thoughts?
We've got data everywhere, and there's data about everything. And I think the ability to take, as you walk around, to put a layer of data on top of what you see when you want it, not so it's too busy, is really cool. I think the implications for gameplay are amazing. So imagine walking around and you're playing a video game as you walk around. I think that's really cool. And then on top of that, the idea that we can layer the virtual world onto the physical creates just an amazing sort of expansion of imagination of what you can do there. And that really excites me as well for storytelling.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Jim.
Sure.